John works 5 days a week. On Monday, he completes a half of his week's work. On Tuesday, he completes 1/4 of the remainder of his work for the week. What fraction of the week's work remains to be done? On Monday, he has 100% of his work left to do. At the end of Monday, he finishes 1/2 of his week's work. If he completes 1/4 on Tuesday of what work remains, he'll have 3/4 of what remains left to do for the rest of the week. So 3/4 times the 50% of the work remaining is 3/8. The floor plan above is drawn on a grid made up of 1-inch squares. About how many yards of carpet are needed to cover bedroom B? Bedroom B is 6 squares by 4.5 squares. We know 1 inch equals 2 feet. So 6 squares equals 12 feet. There's 3 feet to a yard. So that's 4 yards. And 4.5 squares equals 9 feet, 3 yards. So that's 4 yards by 3 yards, a total of 12 square yards. The correct answer is F. Nikki has N stamps. She has half as many stamps as Mark has. Together, Nikki and Mark have 100 more stamps than Basilio has. In terms of N, how many stamps does Basilio have? If Nikki has N, Mark has 2N, which is twice as many. But together, Nikki and Mark have 100 more stamps than Basilio has. The sum is N plus 2N, and Basilio has 100 less than that. The sum of Nikki and Mark, N plus 2N minus 100. This can be simplified to 3N minus 100. The correct answer is A. Quickly, I just want to put in a good word for testprep.SHSAT.com. Not only did these guys teach me, and I got a perfect score on the math exam, but where else can you get a couple graduate students from MIT to help teach you how to take this exam for only $50. If you are serious about doing well in the exam, and even if you just want to make sure the other guy taking the exam doesn't learn something you did not learn, then you really can't afford not to sign up for testprep.SHSAT.com.